Do you like running?
Uh, not much. I have a vague memories of participating in a running races when I was in school. Nowadays, I run only when my friends call me. It was just last week when we chose to run around a hill. We completed a full circle. We also took in some medicinal air because the hill was full of herbs.
Have you ever run a long distance?
Well, my company organizes marathons once in a while. My friends force me to participate in it, so I have run some marathons. Yes. It feels nice when you run across places of scenic beauty with friends around. We also do barefoot running occasionally.
Would you prefer to watch a running competition live or on TV?
Well, I prefer to watch it on television. It is interesting to find out who the fastest runner is. I do tune in to watch the Olympics and find out where my country stands.
Do you think running is a good way to stay healthy?
Undoubtedly, yes. Most importantly, it helps in improving cardiovascular fitness. But unfortunately, most people have restricted themselves to treadmills now.
Race. Race is a competition between runners, horses, vehicles, etc. to see which is the fastest in covering a set course. For example, he won in the bike race. Marathon. Marathon is a long-distance running race, strictly one of the 26 miles 385 yards. For example, she won a gold medal in the marathon for girls. Barefoot running, which is an adjective. This is the act of running without footwear. For example, barefoot running helps in strengthening the muscles. Treadmills. Treadmill is a device used for exercise consisting of a continuous moving belt on which to walk or run. For example, treadmill test is conducted to check the functioning of the heart.